Hello, those and ninjas. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and join the K Trisha family. Unfortunately, I cannot sit in front of a camera because I have flu, but I wanted to share this. Okay, I wanted to share this, guys. You know those videos that we watch about like how to make money online? No, I thought I was the problem, but they are a scam. I'm someone who likes working from home. I don't believe in waking up and going to work. So I always try to find ways to make money online. That led me to always watching these videos, and I thought they were legit because they get thousands of views, guys. Like they always get views. And then I downloaded like both swag bags, bees, honey bees, tuna influencers, sweat coins, you name it. Okay, I've downloaded like almost everything, and I've tried and to get paid while working. And those surveys, no, guys, it is a scam. Those things don't work. Okay, you will like spend 10 minutes answering like a survey, and then they will take you to another link, and then they say in order for you to get your SB you need to answer some more questions. And I recently tried the M4 okay, so you watch a video, like a short video, and then they ask you questions, and when you get them right they pay you after 35 days. You will answer everything correctly, but they will still tell you that there's something wrong. So it's a scam, and I feel like these people, they know it's a scam, but because they're getting paid doing those type of videos, it's like a gig. They tell you to talk about, to advertise their page or whatever, and they get paid. They're selling us false hope. Shame. You know, the best way to make money online is to make videos about how to make money online. Because yeah, it works because definitely people are desperate. Like they will watch, you know very well that they will watch. So let me know if you have tried these things or tried making money online, and comment down below, because for me, it's a scam. Shame no one can convince me and tell me that it is legit. It is not legit. So comment down below, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.